Hi, I'm Angela Commito. I'm a senior lecturer in classical archaeology in the classics department here at Union College. And today I took my Archaeological Methods class to the Schenectady County Historical Society to talk about cultural heritage, the preservation of the past, how we study the past, and how we can engage the public in a kind of dialogue with the past.
My name is Michael Diana, and I'm the Director of Education here at the Schenectady County Historical Society. So we operate as a small museum that preserves and celebrates and shares Schenectady's long history, which is reflected in our collections and our archives, and we do all kinds of fun tours and programs designed to bring this history to life and make it relevant to people here today. Because the stories and the events that shape Schenectady's history, well, they have a lot to teach us no matter where we're from or where we're going in our lives.